So this week, Thursday night on our Let's Sew, we're doing capes. And capes are such a big trend for spring, and they're beautiful. And I'm going to show you some really great capes, but I wanted to show you some fabrics that will work really beautifully with them. So first off, we start with this really pretty plaid. It's a black, white, and red. It's a poly cotton blend. And the beautiful thing about this cape is, if you can just imagine for a minute to just put it at an angle, it would just be so beautiful. So perfect for spring. You compare it with the red, the white, or the black, and it just really makes it gorgeous. This next piece, again, probably my favorite. Y'all probably can predict that because it's red and black and it's just beautiful. But again, it's a poly cotton, mostly cotton. These are mostly cotton, but a little bit of poly in them, which is kind of nice. It just helps with the stability of them. And just a beautiful piece. And what we're going to do is these will all be just $12.99 today. $12.99, even less. This one's going to be less. So some of our capes are really lightweight fabrics. This is 100% polyester. Our upcoming series of Fit to Stitch, we have a polyester guy coming to explain to us the modern polyester and how different it is, series 11, and I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you all. I obviously can't yet, but this is 100% polyester. The drape is amazing, and you can really start to see these new polyesters shape and form, and they're breathable, and so it's just really fun. This is a polyester cotton blend, also cotton poly. It's just beautiful, just beautiful. It's navy in nature. Navy, a little bit of white. The texture is just stunning. Got a little bit of glitz in there that's just really pretty. Again, all of these are $12.99, 100% cotton. Don't think that you can't make solid capes. These, they're just really beautiful. Again, be sure and watch tomorrow night, and I'll really show you quite a few capes that are out there for spring that are just lovely. The trend is incredible. And then, of course, a lot of the fabrics that can be made out of the capes that can be made out of the fabrics can we make jackets too. And we're doing jackets are POM this month. This would be a beautiful fabric for our 15-16 that we're doing. And if you notice the fringe, you really want to pay attention to these fringes because they're just lovely, and they can really do a lot of beautiful work when we get to those, not just the capes, but also the jackets. All right, so happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.